Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a sheet on Canva platform. So let me go here and type canva.com, and now here if you want to create a sheet, then you can go here. You can also type here create sheet, and now you can type anything here. So if you want to use pre-built templates and designs, then you can go here and select one of these. For example, let me select this one, and you can replace the current page. So after that you can add some title, then you can add here some content, and after that you can also change existing content. Then scroll down, and after that if you want to export this sheet, how you can do that? Simply you need to go here, share button, then scroll down. You can directly share it using a link, and after that you can download it in different formats. So after that click here download button and sheet will be downloaded. In this way you can easily create sheets in Canva.